Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder, my brother? So let's see, my brother. Today we do a predicate this coin, my brother. Shiba Inu coin price prediction today. So let's get started, my friend. This brand video, but kindly please like this video and subscribe this channel for more of this type of informative videos. My friend, I also predicate this coin, but absolutely, my friend, I also search about Shiba Inu coin. So let's see, my brothers, to what said and in upcoming time they will move upward or not. But kindly holder, I will tell my brothers to in this time the price is very cheap now, and I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. But let's see, my brothers, what he said the website, and absolutely I also share opinion now. My friend, this time Shiba Inu exchange rate Shiba Inu 0.507 USD dollar this time. So my friend, you can see here the market capitalization as 2 billion. Yes, absolutely. The volume as my friend 8 billion, and supply and circulation you can see my friend trillion 39 for my friend, I think 3 trillion. All time high you can see here 0.0000036, and you can see all time low 0.00. Popularity by CMC, so it's 30, and you can see my friend the current rate Shiba Inu as 0.0000 from my friend 7, it's 5 zeros, and in the last 24 hour the price of Shiba Inu has decreased by minus 3.47%, and the 24-hour volume. So the cryptocurrency as 800 sorry my friend 8 billion. The cryptocurrency in the last 24 hour recorded the highest price at the 0.00, well the lowest was 0.00. The highest Shiba Inu price is the last 7 days was 0.00, and the lowest price it was 0.00. Exchange rate Shiba Inu in the last 30 days increased by 0%. It's a very bad news for all of you, my brothers. Today will cannot moving upward, and they cannot hit my friend just only my friend 0.1 cent, but as is impossible. You know why? Because I will tell you, my brothers, to in those especially impossible to the currencies were starting moving upward now. So holders, don't do any mistake, and please remember to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friend, the price will be increasing. So if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this will be very good, my friend, for now, and the same time, my friend, for investment. Let's see, holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative video. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.